What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana. Currently, we're sitting at 209. We retested the previous all-time high. We got rejected, but that's A-okay, guys. Currently, we're down about 1.6 on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 60 point. Sorry, guys. We're sitting in a market cap of 62.30 billion. 24-hour volume, 3.07 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. My favorite app for investing, incredible benefits as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So I had dropped in these buy zones and we perfectly came down to 189 and we bounced. So if you sold the resistance here of the previous all-time high, buy support, sell resistance, trading 101. That was a juicy trade of 15%, guys. So you can see here, we came up to the all-time high. We got rejected. We've come back down to the 20 EMA. Now, we can bounce from this level. If you see that, if you see us bounce and we break this high, basically, you're well on your way to the 1.272. There will be some resistance along the way, sitting at 258 for Solana. However, guys, if we lose this level of support, if we lose the 20 EMA, do watch the 55 EMA creep up on the 4-hour. Could act as a level of support as well. Now, if we go over to Sol here on the daily, we're starting to get a little bit overextended from the 20 EMA, but it's not too bad here. But you can see here, we got a little bit overextended. We came back down to the 20 EMA. So I think the worst case scenario for Solana, if it were to see some harsher sell-off, is a retest of 189 once again and find support along the 20 EMA over the next couple days and bounce back to the upside. If we look at Bitcoin, guys, I was watching Coins Kid today and he was talking about a possible ABC correction that could bring us back down to 57.8. Now, if that does happen, the alts still have the opportunity to explode because when we're in a full-blown bull cycle, the alts don't move as closely with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is correcting, sometimes we'll see the Bitcoin dominance start to fall. It's been falling quite nicely today, and that means more money is pouring into the altcoins. But of course, even the Bitcoin dominance eventually has to find some sort of area of support and see a little bit of a bounce. And then you might see some alts bleed off, sell off a little bit here. So I think worst case scenario is Sol comes back down to 189. And your best case scenario here is we find support along the 20 EMA. We break the previous all-time high and we start heading up into price discovery for Solana. And what we can do here to give us our levels of resistance is you can take your Fibonacci here from this previous swing high down to your swing low, and it can give you some levels of resistance. Once we break the all-time high, it can give some levels of resistance. I'm just going to drop in two here, the 1.272 at 224 for Sol and the 1.618 at 236. So keep an eye on these EMAs. This is what's important right now. If we lose that level of support, do target the 55 on the 4-hour. And I think the worst case scenario is 189 if we were to see some harsher sell-off. But we're looking healthy for continuation. We're holding the EMAs. We get a little bit overextended. We come back down to the 20. We got a little bit overextended. We came back down to the 20. So we do have a good opportunity to bounce from this level. We currently bounce right off the golden ratio. And when you're above the golden ratio, if you're able to hold that as support, high likelihood you're going to come up to the 1.272, which is a new all-time high for Solana at 224. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys, $350 USD. Me and another member just absolutely crushed it, trading hot. I had a 66% gain. He had a 72% gain in minutes, guys. So incredible crypto community. You can sign up through the Patreon. Check out crypto.com. Smash that like button. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to. I post crypto related content as well as my travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.